Good morning, everybody. This is Patrick MontesDeOca with the Equity Management Academy live trading room. On this segment, I want to welcome, first of all those subscribers that are interested in the work that I do, that are interested in the products and intelligence that the Equity Management Academy provides. I want to thank you for your support in all your emails supporting what we're doing here. Moving right into today's segment, what I would like to do here is to review a current report that we published regarding the JNUG XXX velocity ETFs, which we have been actively trading since July of last year. And I want to go right into the latest report that we published, in which we take a look at basically in detail the recommendation that we made back in July of 2015. If you go to my website and if you go to updates, JNUG achieves more than 1,000% return year-to-date report, you can click on the live links that will take you directly to this report that we published in YouTube on July 13th. Of 2013, in which point I discuss in detail the recommendation, and let's take a look at, and let's take a hear at the recommendation for a minute, and I'll be back here in a minute. That need to be made in order to complete this swing or wave pattern. And today's low was 1143 on the buy one. The market came down 1145.90. We're at 1157.80. If we close above 1157, then I would say it's indicating that there is a very high potential that this could be the lows today. If we close above 1157 for 2 days in a row, then we're putting into perspective the 1167 and 1181 targets, or the 1200 handle once again, potentially to be tested. And so we seem to be in a trading range, and we're almost at the bottom of the trading range, and you got a solid $200 to the upside. That I think we can recommend. Let's take a look at the highs that were made back in January of this year. What does that represent to JNUG, for example? Let's take a look. And use the daily. Obviously, we know that the July of 2014 high, while gold was at about $13.50, for JNUG was $360. The low so far this year is $13.60. Let's take a look a little shorter term. And what you see here is that with JNUG as well, it looks like the market has once again come down into this blue area, this blue zone that I like to call it or identify it as the buy one, buy two levels, which are the highest probability to buy the market and the highest risk to sell the market here. And what this is saying for JNUG is that we are in a critical area of demand. We are in a critical area of support. Closing about 1422 would validate that analysis, or a test of 1350 is possible. But I think going back once again to the early part of this move, we're looking at January high to be about $48 for JNUG as of January of this year. And that puts gold at about 1,300. It's currently trading at 1387. 1316 is the low. This is where you want to accumulate positions slightly to scale down and buy into the blue zone is what we're suggesting all of our subscribers here in the live trading room at the Equity Management Academy.
Well, you have just witnessed the actual live report that we did in the room back in July, where we're projecting a target of 1350 gold, which we completed here today with a high of 1374. And if we take a look at JNUG, we saw a high here of $323.32. We have completed the objective as of today. We have been recommending our subscribers and basically our team to take a pause, lock in these huge profits that in some cases exceed a 10-to-1 return. If you've been following us, if you've been with me for the last few years, you know what exactly I'm talking about. Where do we go from here is the question. Well, our cycles indicate the probability that we are a little bit overbought and we could be going into some kind of a correction for the time being. We have suggested now our subscribers to reduce their position according to their size and according to their personal situation, and enjoy the profits that you have made. We have accomplished some phenomenal results. If you would like to see what we have done, please, you can go to updates, where we post all of the signals that we execute here in the room. Or you can go to ema2tradelivesignals.com that basically documents all of the trades that we do here live at the Equity Management Academy for our subscribers, for the Equity Management Academy Fund, as well as the hedge fund that we manage. You can take a look at all the individual results, and if you have any questions at all, please give me a call. Let me know what it is that you do. We are selecting a group of very qualified, experienced traders to join us in basically taking advantage of this intelligence, the application, the methodology. And we're looking only for a few experienced traders that are serious traders that want to learn what we do. The methodology that we give you is by far proprietary in all aspects of what we do, and provide you with very, very specific algorithms for you to follow, execute with stops and targets on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, and on a monthly basis. Where we are now, as you can see on gold here in column 3, we basically have accomplished our targets for the week at 1374, for silver We have 2009 as the target, basically, and 2083 is the upper end, the upper target. The high today that we saw was 2083.50 for silver. And this report was published, my friends, on Saturday. On Saturday, it told you take profits in silver at 2083.70. This is by far the most accurate information that you will ever find. In following this application, if you're an experienced trader, you should be able to accomplish or improve your results substantially, exponentially. Once again, if you have any interest at all in discussing what we do, please contact me at ema2trade.com. Send me an email to support@ema2trade.com. Tell me what you do. Let's see if you qualified to join us at the exclusive live trading room. My phone number is 877-733-1511, U.S. toll-free number. My direct number is 805-418-1744. Once again, this is Patrick MontesDeOca, live at the Equity Management Academy live trading room. Until next time, my friends, be well, be safe, take care.